Today I am doing 2 transfers. Sorry for the noise, the garage door is up and every car that passes you can hear it, so I'm very sorry about that. I just wanted to do this today and then show you how it's done. I'm getting ready to warm up, preheat my shirt to take away all the moisture, and I do it for a little while. Adjusting my pressure here for a while, and then I preheat it for a couple seconds, and then I'm ready to do the transfer. Again, sorry for the noise. The paper transfer, what happened with that is when you're doing on a white light transfer, you put it this way. And I do about 2 fingers, 2 to 3 fingers with my design. So this is my Teflon sheet to protect the top part of my heat press, because that's the section that gets hot. This. This is what it looks like. Again, I am just testing my new. This is the empty paper. This is the print right here. Now I have this is a dark color transfer. And you know the difference with the light transfer. You saw me take it and I put it and I press it, and that's fine. But for the dark transfer, you have to take the backing off because it goes right side up. The light transfer, you have to mirror what you put in, because the light transfer you put it down this way. The dark transfer you don't have to, because it's going directly on the garment face up, so that's why you have to take this off if you're going to do a dark transfer. And this is what a dark transfer look like. That's why you don't mirror a dark transfer. It is face up, right? And then I put my paper on there, and I put my Teflon on here. Make sure it's even. You want to make sure it's correct. And then press it. That's the difference between a light transfer and a dark transfer. Light transfer, you mirror and then you turn it face down on the t-shirt and you press. A dark transfer, you don't mirror, you peel the backing off and you put it face up on the t-shirt, and then you iron it. Hopefully that was helpful for you. Now I'm waiting for my heat press to get back to the correct temperature, because transfers are printed at a higher temperature and time, and then the heat transfer, the HTV, the vinyl, is at a different temperature and time. So I always do the transfers first, because it was just one and did a higher temperature, and then because you want to do the high temperature first, the lower temperature last. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, share and like my videos. Thank you very much. I do appreciate. This is the finished product. And that's on the dark, that is on the dark transfer. That's the finished product for the dark transfer thing. Get